Hey guys, I'm Chris with Purge Labs, and I'm going to give the basic overview of our half-pound pinky unit. These units have the same configuration. Average runtime on a passive pinky unit is approximately 45 minutes. When you get our system, the lid, the scope vessel, and your gas injection vacuum port will be set up. When you get our system put together, you want to pull a vacuum on the system as well as the yellow tank. You'll take the vacuum hose, connect it to your vacuum pump, turn on your vacuum pump, open your hose, open your yellow tank, and pull a vacuum on the yellow tank as well as the system. You'll notice in the compound gauge, the green section is the vacuum. You'll pull it as far down as you can. When you get it as far as you can, close up the yellow tank, close off the system, turn off your vacuum pump. Never turn off the vacuum pump before you close the system, as this will pull vacuum oils into your system. Once the system is closed off, you're going to want to hold the vacuum for 10 minutes. Once you have achieved a full vacuum for the period of time and you have not lost any vacuum, you're ready to inject your gas. You will take the hose off of the vacuum pump, connect it to your gas source, turn on your gas, open the system, and it will naturally flow through the system and collect in the collection chamber. Now, by running your system empty, you're going to be distilling your gas. Once you have pulled as much solvent as the system can, you'll want to begin the reclaim process. By this, you'll want to heat the collection chamber and cool down the yellow reclaim tank. You're going to vaporize your solvent and recondense it. We suggest using a warm water bath to heat up your collection chamber and dry ice to cool down your reclaim cylinder. Once you have heated and cooled the unit, you'll open the red valve on your reclaim cylinder and the reclaim process will begin. Your solvent will want to be where it is cold. It wants to condense. So it'll travel through the reclaim line and condense in the yellow tank. Once this is finished, you can close off the reclaim tank, the red valve. The industry standard for a full reclaim tank is 70%. You may have to inject gas into your system and reclaim it multiple times to achieve 70%. Once you have achieved as much solvent as you would like in your reclaim cylinder, you will be ready to begin using your system. You open the lid, fill your material column full of your material, close the lid, pull a vacuum on your system. You're going to hook up your vacuum, turn on your vacuum, open the system, pull a full vacuum on your system, close your system off, turn off your vacuum pump, maintain the vacuum for 10 minutes. If you have achieved a full vacuum, you'll be ready to use your system. Open the blue valve to release your solvent into your system. It will travel through the line into the material column, soak your material, collect in the collection chamber. You'll notice by observation that the flow begins to stop. Once it's finished, you'll be ready to begin your reclaim process. You will close the blue valve, heat the collection chamber, cool the reclaim, open the red valve, and naturally the process will begin. Your solvent will boil and it will want to condense within the reclaim cylinder. Once you have pulled as much solvent as you would like out of your product, you will close the red valve and you will be finished with your process. Average runtime with our half-pound pinky unit is approximately 45 minutes. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Chris with Purge Labs, and I hope you have a great day.